the world of 2026 is undergoing and experiencing some of the unique circumstances and situations that the world has ever seen, because this conflict of Middle East has not only impacted the peace and the social justice on one hand, but has also impacted the economics and daily lives of the people, because more particularly because of the oil trade that has been blockaded in the Strait of Hormuz. But there is one thing that is quite strange as well as unique about this Middle Eastern conflict of February and March for so far 2026 is that it is full of uncertainties and it is constantly changing. How? This conflict between US and Israel on one hand and Iran on the other hand is constantly dynamic in this regard, that around 3 days ago the President of United States of America, President Donald J. Trump, had expressed in a conference or in a briefing that discussions and negotiations are underway with Iran, and near future this Middle Eastern conflict or crisis will be wind up. But eventually, on the other day, the President Donald J. Trump had given a 48-hour ultimatum to the Iranian authorities to restore the navigation or the freedom of navigation at the Strait of Hormuz. Otherwise, Iran will face consequences in the form of bombardment at their bigger energy power plants. But even after this 48-hour ultimatum, a new development has been recorded or observed in this conflict between US and Iran, because in these recent particular 24 hours, President Donald J. Trump of United States of America has once again taken a new decision and posted on Truth Social that for the next 5 days, United States of America and its enforcement agencies or security agencies are not going to attack or are not going to make an attack on the energy or power plants of Iran. Thus, this decision of President Trump has led to a decline of Brent crude oil in all over the world. After this decision of halting this conflict for 5 days, the Brent crude oil prices declined by $17 per barrel, or 15% of decrease was experienced to a session low of $96 per barrel. This was the same $96 per barrel that had increased up to $120. But after this decision of President Trump of not attacking the power plants of Iran or of considering a temporary truce for 5 days, has given this huge relaxation to various countries and consumers of oil by $120 to $96, whereas the West Texas Intermediate has also decreased by $13 per barrel, or roughly 13.5%, again to a session low of $85.28 per barrel. Yes, so the oil that was consumed or that was imported at around 120 to 130 barrels per day is now coming down or has now declined to 80 to $96 and $85, just due to a temporary truce that has been put forth by the President of United States of America. Thus, keeping in view these situations, the constantly changing dynamics of this Middle Eastern conflict of February and March 2026, now a little bit of relaxation and de-escalation has been observed and recorded, leading to a declined prices of oil all over the world, whether it is for importation or exportation. Because on one hand, these Gulf countries and their power plants will not be attacked by Iran. On the other hand, Iran will also be able to export its own oil to the countries that he had already agreed with. And now the blockaded Strait of Hormuz will also experience some kind of de-escalation, leading to relaxed prices of oil and maybe some chances for a permanent ceasefire between Iran on one hand and US and Israel on the other hand. What do you think, and or how do you construe or interpret this relaxation in the conflict that has been going on for 4 weeks? Do tell us and make us aware by your opinions and guesses in this regard. Thank you.